Okay, go! Okay, very good. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next. Okay, faster. 7. Faster. Yan. Pass it to the pants. What is the pants again? The pants again. Faster. Okay, no shortcut ha. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Faster, faster. Walang shortcut. Okay, be honest. Faster, next player. Very good. Some more, next player. Wow, faster. Yan. Very good. Some more, next player. Oh. Very good. Faster. Okay, next. Faster, faster. Okay, don't forget to say our magic word in front. Happy birthday, Matthew. Okay, faster. Yeah, next. Last player, Max. Faster. Okay, come in front. What's the magic word? Okay, happy birthday, Matthew. Of course, nanalo pa rin ang group 1. Okay, don't worry, group 2, you still have your game prizes naman. Consolation. Game kita ang forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So, there's na yung prize natin, Ate Leia. Dito tayo sa front. Yan. So, mga tagapiliwan prizes from Max and from Jollibee. So, mag-give me what I want kita, ha? So that everybody can join. Okay, so first 2 kids. I want yung first 2 ang pinakauna, ha? Yung makahatag sang sing or sang bagay na pangayon ko, tagaan ko sang prize. Okay, so first 2. Sino sa inyo diri ang may dala nga? Who has an assignment notebook? So yung may assignment notebook, faster. Announcement notebook. Okay, so may announcement notebook, faster. 1, first 2, 3, 4, faster, some more. Okay, stop. So we have first 3. Okay, come here. Come here, kid. Ito. Si Thea. Okay, pag-ibigyan ng prize, si Max. Si Thea. Okay, tagay sila prize.
Sila sa packet.
Okay, everybody has a prize. Yung kids, ibalik na yung mga kuhan. Yan, very good. Yan, tagay sila prize, ate. Ibalik na ang announcement notebook sa bag after you receive your prize. So, ito pa may prize yan. Very good. Ibutan na sa bag na ang announcement notebook. Anong prize? Yan. Okay, everybody, balik na ang announcement notebook sa bag. Okay, everybody, balik naman sa line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody, balik na sa line. Okay, balik sa line. Everybody, some more. Balik sa line. Very good. So, next naman. Okay, kaya nasin mo. Okay, next. Ano ba? Okay, first 3 nga necklace. May nakita ko na nga necklace. Faster, necklace. 1, 2, who has no may necklace here? Come here, kato sa front ang may necklace. Come here. So, ito may necklace. Duwa lang sila. Okay, may prize. Very good. Okay, next naman. Tagayin nyo po sa ano ba? School ID. First 5 na school ID. 1, 2, 3. Okay, wow, may school ID. Tagayin may nga school ID. Yan. Okay, you protect your school ID para meron ka po sa prize. Ibutan sa pocket. Okay, next naman. Sino makahatag sa akon sa Jollibee nga party hat? Here in front, Jollibee. Make sure na Jollibee nga party hat, ha? Planawan yung party hat kung si Jollibee. So si Jollibee may anak prize. Okay, tagay prize na may Jollibee nga party hat? Yan. Okay, next naman. Ito may Jollibee ito nga party hat, oh. This time, sino makahatag sa akon sa Hetty nga party hat? Hetty. Hetty. Sino may Hetty ang party hat? May prize naman. Hetty. Wow. Okay, this time, gusto ko naman Twirly. Sino kakilala kay Twirly ng party hat? Twirly. Twirly. Wow, tagaan na itong prize may Twirly ng party hat. Si Melrose ko may party hat. Yan. Okay, so last na lang. Last year pa, sino ang may Yum? Yum ng party hat. Yum. Okay, ito. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. Yan. May prize. Okay, last na lang. Last, of course, sino ganyan may si Popo. Sino may Popo ng party hat? Popo. Wow, last 2 na lang. Very good to may prize sila. So this time, everybody clap your hands for yourselves. Okay, very good. So this time, we will eat na. Everybody find your place. Find your place.